Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing KANGAROO's doorbell chime and camera. All you need is the KANGAROO app, Wi-Fi, and of course this device itself as well. So you can secure your home, know who's home from your phone. So in this box includes a door camera with batteries, one chime, user manual, and peace of mind. I love their branding is super cute. So let's check this out. Okay, so it says pull. Oh, it's bigger than I expected. Oh, wow, okay. So this thing over here is basically you can peel and stick 3 feet to 4 feet, 7 from the ground, so that when you're standing, you know, it's an easy place to touch. It comes with a second adhesive, just in case you want to, if you want to stick it again or it falls off. This, I'm assuming, is the piece that allows the device to connect via Wi-Fi. And then if you did want to just go ahead and screw it onto, your door frame or something like that, you could also do that for added security. The doorbell camera actually sends a notification and a photo when it either senses motion or when the doorbell is pressed. And then the chime will also sound to let you know when someone's at the door, which is why this thing has little audio here. So step 1 is to download the app. Just look up KANGAROO Security. Next, you want to turn on your phone's Bluetooth so you can set it up. The range of motion and how far it can detect is basically about 16 feet out or 5 meters out and about 35 degrees on both sides. So a total of about 70 degrees. So if it's facing a busy street or if something is close by, they recommend that you use the lowest setting to avoid false alarms. Once your app is installed, you can go ahead and set it up. So you can just get started. Agree and continue. You can also choose your home profile image, so like what your home looks like. Oh, that's cute. So if it's like a mobile home, a little SpongeBob home, or like a castle, so super cute. Once it goes through some more steps, it will ask you which device you're installing. So you can click on the doorbell camera, continue, and then go ahead and begin setup. Activate the device by pulling the yellow tab. Ooh, there it is. You want to use the Bluetooth so that it's found. Then once it's paired, it will say that it will say success. And then you can continue. Next, set up the Wi-Fi connection. And then after all that, it will start installing. So you can say it's for the front door, front entryway, back door, blah, blah. So basically you can have like a lot of these all around your house, but let's just select front door for now. Is your camera mounted outdoors or indoors? Is there any light source by the doorbell at night? Ooh, so if you have like a light triggered sensor monitor, that's important. Press the button on your doorbell to complete setup. Click that. Next you want to go ahead and plug that second piece in.
Hi,
Oh,
this is KANGAROO Security. Open the KANGAROO Security app to begin pairing.
okay, I don't know if you just heard that, but the KANGAROO just talked to me. So yes, it's already set up. Your chime should be plugged into the interior outlets nearest to your doorbell's location. Once it's paired, this should be blinking, and don't worry about this socket over here. So once everything is set up, it will look like this. All right, so let's check out the camera. So I'm holding the KANGAROO pointed at me, and I'm just gonna move around. And then there we go. A motion detection was found, and there I am at the door. And then there's actually like an activity, like a history, where you can kind of scroll through and see like when stuff was detected, so on and so forth. So that's how you use and set up the KANGAROO doorbell and chime. For more product reviews, please subscribe, like, and comment what you think about this product. Thanks again, and see you next time. Bye!